So I got this lock I lost the keys to, and I've been messing with this really crappy Amazon lock pick set. I got it a couple times, so I wanted to see if I could get it on video for fun. So let's give it a shot and see how long this takes me. So this is the tension torque bar. I'm going to put tension on the cylinder just a little bit, and then number one, the regular lock pick individual picking doohickey, and insert to the back. This thing has 4 pins, so you can feel them as I pull out. There's 1, there's 2, there's 3, and 4. So starting at the back with a little bit of tension. Sorry about my voice, sick. Okay, there we go, rotate it a little bit. That should be the first one. Come on. Might have been the second. I like to bounce the tension a little bit, not let up all the way, but enough just to let those pins, see if I can get back there again, get to that shelf. Where am I? 1, 2. There's 2. I think I felt that. There we go. Nice. 2 minutes.